Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT as a personal assistant so you can organize your day, handle small tasks faster, and get better results with less effort. If you've ever wished you had one tool to help with planning, writing, notes, ideas, and reminders, this is exactly what you need. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's start with the first step. Give clear tasks. Open ChatGPT and think of it like a real assistant. The better you ask, the better the result. Instead of being vague, tell it exactly what you want. For example, you can say, "Plan my day with tasks and timings," or "Create a to-do list for today." These simple prompts give ChatGPT a clear job, and that usually means a much more useful response. The key here is to ask naturally, just like you would ask a human assistant. You do not need to make the prompt complicated. In fact, simple and direct is often best. If you want help with your schedule, just tell ChatGPT what kind of day you're having. If you want help organizing work, tell it what needs to be done. If you want help brainstorming, ask for ideas in a specific area. The more clear your request is, the easier it is for ChatGPT to act like a true personal assistant. Now let's move on to step 2. Use it for daily work. This is where ChatGPT becomes really useful. You can use it for emails, notes, ideas, and reminders, all in one place. If you need to write a quick email, ChatGPT can draft it for you. If you need to summarize something, it can turn long information into short notes. If you're stuck and need creative input, it can generate ideas. If you're trying to stay organized, it can help you build reminders or action lists. That's why so many people use ChatGPT as a one tool for everything assistant. Instead of opening multiple apps and trying to keep track of everything separately, you can bring your tasks into one conversation. For example, you could ask it to help you prepare a meeting note, then ask it to turn that into a summary, and then ask it to make a follow-up checklist. That kind of workflow can save a lot of time during the day. Now here comes step 3. Be specific. This part makes a huge difference. If you want better answers, always add details. For example, instead of saying "plan my day," you can say "plan my day from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. with study and breaks." That gives ChatGPT time boundaries, task type, and a clear structure to work with. The result will usually be much closer to what you actually need. Specific prompts help ChatGPT understand your priorities, your schedule, and your preferred format. You can tell it how long you want each task to take, whether you need breaks, whether to focus on work first, or whether to keep things short and simple. This is one of the easiest ways to get more accurate and useful responses. The more details you give, the more useful your assistant becomes. Next is step 4, follow up and improve. One of the biggest benefits of using ChatGPT is that you can keep refining the result. If the first answer is too long, just say, "Make it shorter." If you want the most important tasks first, say, "Add priorities." If you want a clean action list, say, "Convert to checklist." You do not have to accept the first response as final. You can keep adjusting until it fits exactly what you want. This back and forth is what makes ChatGPT feel like a real assistant. You can review the output, make a change, and improve it in seconds. That means you can start with a rough idea and turn it into something polished very quickly. Whether you're planning a project, organizing your morning, drafting an email, or making a study schedule, follow-up prompts help you shape the final result. So let's quickly recap. First, give clear tasks and ask naturally. Second, use ChatGPT for daily work like emails, notes, ideas, and reminders. Third, be specific with details like times, priorities, and goals. And fourth, follow up to refine the result until it matches what you need. Once you get used to this workflow, ChatGPT can become one of the most helpful productivity tools in your day. It can save time, reduce stress, and help you stay more organized without juggling a bunch of different apps. The more you practice giving good prompts, the better it will work for you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.